Students, now today we'll continue from question number 3, but before that, as from question number 3, profit and loss problem sum will start. So I believe that you should know something on profit and loss first. Now, as you know, what is profit and loss? So profit is selling price minus cost price. So I've written what is the meaning of SP. SP means selling price. The price at which we sell anything is called selling price, and the price at which we buy something, okay, is called cost price. So the profit would be selling price minus cost price. Always remember this, a profit is made only when SP is greater than CP. Okay, profit is always made when selling price is greater than cost price, and loss is always made when cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, so these are some of the most basic formulas that you have to remember. After that, you have to know what is the profit percent formula, that is profit by CP into 100. Similarly, loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. Okay, so these are the 4 basic formulas of profit and loss. Now, from here, some specific questions will start. Suppose if cost price and profit percent is given in the question. Suppose if the cost price of any material and the profit percent of any businessman is given, and they are asking you to find the selling price, then we have to use this formula. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, now if in any problem sum, suppose loss percent and CP is given, then you have to apply this formula. Fine. Now again, when selling price and profit percent is given, suppose in the question selling price and profit percent is given, and they have asked at what price it was bought or what is the cost price, then we have to apply this formula. Similarly, when SP and loss percent is given and you have to find out cost price, then you have to apply this formula. Okay, now let's begin with the question number 3. See, I will correlate all the formulas with it. Now, according to question number 3, see, I am reading the question. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400. That is bought. Bought means what? CP. Okay, CP of 80 article is given. CP of 80 article is what? Rupees 2,400. Okay, now, and sell them for a profit of 16%. So profit percent is given, students. Profit percent is given. That is, profit percent is what? 16% is given. It is not profit, but profit percent is given 16%. What you have to find out? You have to find out SP. Now see the criteria. You have to find out SP. So you have anywhere SP is written? Yes, these 2 formulas are possessing SP. Now what are the things are given? SP is given, sorry, CP is given, and profit percent is given. So which formula we have to apply? This formula. See, CP is given and profit percent is given, so we have to apply this formula. So we will write it down. That is, SP is equals to CP. Now this is SP of how many articles? As because CP of 80 articles is this, so this would be SP of 80 articles. Okay, SP of 80 articles. So the formula would be, what is the formula? CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Now just put the value, that is 2,400. 100. What is the profit percent given? 16. Do not give percentage sign, and then 100. Okay, now solve it. 2,400 into 116 by 100. Now if you reduce this, so the final answer will be 24 into 116. Now this is the place where you have to solve it. I will not solve it anymore. So you just write your own answer after multiplying. So you will get the final answer of this. Okay, so but this is not the answer. They have asked find the selling price of one article. So we have to get the answer, students. So what is the answer of this? 224 into 116. Now this is the answer, that is 2,748 would be the solution. Now you have to get the value of one article. That is, again you will write from here, you will write selling price of 80 article is how much? Rupees 2,748. So therefore selling price of one article would be what? 2,748 upon 80. Now you will divide it and give your answer. Okay, this is a solution of sum number 3. Okay, so let's see question number 4. Now, according to the question number 4, the cost of an article was that is cost price of an article. Cost price of an article is given rupees 15,500. Some extra expenses been done. Some extra expenses. So what is the extra expenses done? Of how many rupees? That is 450 rupees. Okay. So for the repairs out there. So the total cost price will be what? So what is the total money that a person has spent on the article? So total cost price would be the base price and the repair price. That is 15,500 and the repair price. So how much it cost him? It cost him 15,950 rupees. Okay. Now, if it's sold at a profit of 15%, now profit, he is again selling the article at a profit of 15%. Now they're asking then what is the SP. So again see, CP is given, profit percent is given, you have to find SP. So when you have to find the SP, that means we have two formulas for SP. So in first formula we have CP and profit percent, and another formula we have CP and loss percent. According to the sum, CP and profit percent is given. So again we'll apply this formula. Okay, that is, we'll again write it down. I hope you have understood. Now write the formula first, student, here. That is SP is equals to what is the formula? CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100, isn't it? Now what is the CP? 15,950. So write it down. 15,950. That is 100. What is the profit percentage is making? What is the profit percentage is making? 15. So you write it down. 15 divided by 100. Right. Now 15,950 into 115 by 100. Now you have to solve it and give your answer. Okay. So once you are done with this answer, once you get this answer, this is a total solution of question number 4. I hope you found it easy, but I will rather request that all of you should write the formulas first in your copy, and then you start with question number 3 and 4. This detail should be there in your copy. Okay, thank you and take care.